Hey, what's up, everyone? Today we're going to be going over conditional, converse, and inverse statements. So first, for a conditional statement, last week we went over conjectures. You can rewrite conjectures as a conditional statement, which is a statement that can be written in the if-then form. So for example, if the weather is good, then I will go swimming. So symbolically, we say P and then arrow Q, which reads as if P, then Q. So for example, if we have the statement Halloween is in October, we can rewrite this as a conditional statement. We can say if it is Halloween, then it is October. So analyzing these statements more, there's names to each part of this. We have the hypothesis and the conclusion. The hypothesis is the phrase that immediately follows the if part of the sentence. The conclusion is the phrase that immediately follows the then part of the sentence. So in our example, the hypothesis would be it is Halloween. The conclusion would be it is October. So the next thing we have is called the converse. The converse is formed by switching your hypothesis and your conclusion. So symbolically, you can write Q arrow P, which means if Q, then P. So our conditional statement originally was if it is Halloween, then it is October. So the converse of that would be if it is October, then it is Halloween. And then it asks, is the converse statement true or false? This would be false. And a counterexample would be October 1st, or any day in October that's not Halloween. Because clearly, just because it's October does not mean it is Halloween. Next, to go over a quick definition we need for the next type of statement, we have the negation. The negation just means the opposite of the original statement. So for example, if the statement is the ball is green, the negation is the ball is not green. So it's just the opposite. So the inverse is formed by negating the hypothesis and the conclusion. So symbolically, we say tilde P arrow tilde Q, which means if not P, then not Q. The tilde is this little squiggly mark here. That indicates the negation. So for example, our original conditional statement was if it is Halloween, then it is October. So the inverse would be if it is not Halloween, then it is not October. It asks if this inverse is true or false. This is false. October 1st would still be a counterexample. Because again, it says if it is not Halloween, then it is not October. Well, just because it's not Halloween does not mean that it's not October. And that is a summary of the lesson. Thank you.